Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making a macrame feather. For this project, I used a 2mm cord in the color gray, and what I did is I cut a 36-inch piece of cord and I folded it in half, then I clipped it on the bottom and I clipped it on the top. Then I took a piece of wire stem that you use on fake flowers and I placed it in the middle or in between the center cord. Then I took a piece of cord, I cut it 18 inches long, I folded it in half, and then I placed it underneath the center yarn. And I started from left to right. So my loop, when I fold it in half, is gonna be on my right side. Then I take another piece of cord, and I fold it in half, and I place it underneath the loop that is on my right side, and then over the center cord, and then under the cord that is on my right side. And now you pull tight. For the second row, we're gonna start opposite of what we did on our first row. I'm gonna start from right to left. Take my piece of cord, fold it in half, under the center cord. That means that the loop is gonna be on my left side. Then I'm gonna take the other piece of cord and I'm gonna start from left to right, underneath the loop, over the center cord, and then under the cord, and then you pull tight. You're gonna continue this pattern all the way down. When I started the project, I started from left to right, and then the second row was from right to left, then left to right. You continue the same pattern till you get to the end. I wasn't sure what the width of my feather was going to be like, so I cut 160 pieces of 18 inches long of cord and folded in half. Don't go all the way down. You will need to leave around an inch or an inch and a half. That way you can tie that center cord and it will hold the feather in place. Once you're done tying all the cords to the center cord, you're gonna take a pret brush, or in this case I use a comb, and you're gonna comb or brush all the cords. This is pretty much what it's gonna look like when you're done brushing the cord. You're gonna take that cord on the center and you're gonna tie a knot. That way it would hold all those cords and they won't slip down. So now I started cutting the cords on the side, that way I can start making the shape of the feather. Now I'm going to take this product, Stiffen Quik, and I'm going to spray the whole thing with this. This is going to stiffen the cords and it's going to hold the shape in place. Here's the finished product. Hope you like making this feather with me. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Stay safe, everyone.